Hey YouTubers, Shell Sullivan here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, it's a beautiful fall day. I thought I'd bring my shop outdoors for my next It Firecracker video, which the subject is It Firecracker hair dryer. Now first, let me start out by saying I make these videos to entertain and to educate. They are not for you to emulate. That means copy. Which, in other words, don't try this at home. Just don't do it, okay? So I've got some safety gear here. I've got a fire extinguisher and my face shield all ready to roll. I've got some drill and an angle grinder so I can cut in case I need to make any cuts. And I got my fuse. And I got some mysterious black powder. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Man, it sure is a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. Are we having fun yet, guys? Probably time to order some more fuse. Because what I always say, yeah, fuse is cheap, fingers aren't. I know this is not as exciting as my previous It Firecracker videos, But I hope all my subscribers will understand and play along. Hope you don't give me a bunch of thumbs down for this. Sure is perfect weather for It Firecracker video. Yep. And everybody should have a couple of these handy around their house. And you should probably teach your kids how to use one too. You know, it's like start a little campfire in your backyard and then train your kids to use one of these to put out a fire. It's like anything else. I mean, first time you ever used a fire extinguisher, you might not get it right, so practice doesn't make perfect, but it sure helps. Did you know that my pinky fingers are crooked? I was born that way. Here's the slow motion. Creepy door opening by itself over there. Okay, I think that just about does it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this It Firecracker video. If you did, give me a big fat thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you think friends or family might like to see the video, then please share it. You can also comment down below, add questions, suggestions. I read every comment and I try to respond to everyone too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.